आपकी खबर का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domiciled students of the state of Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubakmi yakatanat kampo ying uba preston tensong haka khat pratarik unaitung arajar apsan ulaitu baka sorkar Meghalaya kalarai ban kerpat yaka sorkar Assam bakan penpai biang yaka blok 1 bat ke blok 2 syaka jela Meghalaya haka jingkran bakila patai khubor uba prestun ubolongru chairman jongka regional committee ulaitu ba udang apktien na chairman jongka regional committee na ka jala Assam ban busngi ya ka jingle jure blang sya khaput.
See, I am yet to get the date from my counterpart because in Riboy I think we have 2 or 3 chairmen from the Assam side, whereas from this side I'm the only chairman. So I'm waiting for the date to be indicated by them. But at the same time, because the election is due next year, I don't know whether they will be able to spare their valuable time for joint inspection or not. That I'm still awaiting for their reply from them.
So there's a possibility that the joint inspection might be delayed because of the...
Well, from our side we are ready. In fact, we wanted that inspection be held any time, any moment. Of course, during monsoon we'll have a little problem, but maybe towards the end of September or something, if once the monsoon season is over, I think we wish that even from Assam side, they are ready for the inspection of both the committees. Well, I think if you talk about Block 1 and Block 2, you deal well the history of it. And if you refer back to the notification of 1950, it is very, very clear, mentioned that, okay, those portions which we transferred to Karbi Amlong, from the government side, what we wanted is only to request the government of Assam to retransfer back to Meghalaya. I think that is the main issue where we're talking about. Of course, in the real border where our Panar population occupy, or where the Karbi population occupy the particular place, lot of differences happen. Sometimes some of them, they claim that no, this one belongs to Meghalaya. The other one again they claim no, this one belongs to Assam. So this problem will continue until and unless the committee sit down, discuss about all these issues. But my request to both sides, be it from Meghalaya side or be it from Assam side, is let us maintain status quo. I would request all the concerned villagers in both sides, please create that conducive atmosphere and try to be as it is, because this one is not a new thing. They have been together for generation to the generation. So I would appeal that please create a conducive atmosphere so that the unnecessary differences happening now and then should be stopped. Of course, from the government side, what we did was we keep sitting, discussing, and then even in the district level, they do have that kind of sitting among themselves, district administration to district administration, and then SP to SPs, to make sure, because they are not the authority to decide whether this area will be in Meghalaya or whether this area will be in Assam. So nobody can do that except when the committee go for joint inspection, and number 2, once both the chief minister decide about the real boundary of these particular differences that we have in Meghalaya.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu saw po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka am tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka binta jongpi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra